Hi foodies! I present to you my Dambun Kaza fried rice but on chicken floss fried rice. Let's dive in. So first of all, I'll start by frying some onions in my vegetable oil, and then I'll be adding some crushed pepper mix. Give that a good stir, and then I'll be adding some carrots, sweet corn, and my white rice, cooked white rice. After that, I'll be adding some chili flakes, white pepper, ginger and garlic powder, sweet chili sauce, some soy sauce, and salt and seasoning. Adjust to your liking, and you can also use the spices you like. Give that a good stir, and then I'll add my chicken floss now. Look at that chicken floss. Okay guys, so I'll be adding my other veggies, raw bell pepper, onions, green bell pepper, and some spring onions. Give that a good mix. Fry on high heat for about a minute to ensure crunchiness of the veggies. And there you have your chicken floss Dambun Kaza fried rice. I hope you give this a try because we did enjoy this rice dish. It finished in minutes. Yes, give this a try and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.